Hello everybody, I'm Lacquer Lover, and today I'm back with a very special nail art tutorial, and this one is going to be in honor of Kim Taehyung's or V's birthday. I'm so excited, it's going to be very soon, and I hope you guys like this look. So without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Paint your index and thumb fingernails black, your middle fingernail pink, and your ring fingernail a shimmery purple. To draw the rose, start with a few C's and curved lines in the center of the nail. Use white polish so the pink, purple, and blue can pop off the black. Fill in the base with white. From the bottom center, draw a line to the tip. Add a leaf. Color the right half with pink, the middle with purple, and the left with blue. Color the stem and leaves with green. Add some shading with dark green. For the middle finger, draw the basic shape of a tiger's head in white. Fill with white. Color in with a yellow-orange, leaving a semicircle of white on the bottom. Add brown to the ears. Add orange stripes to the top, left, and right sides of the head. Dot on brown polish for the nose. Add pink to the left and right for the blush. Draw two eyes in black. Draw a mouth in black. Fill the top and color the tongue. For the ring finger, use black polish to write V in Hangul. Beneath, write 12/30 for his birth date. For the pinky, draw the outline of a heart. Fill in the rest of the nail with purple polish, leaving the center clean. In the center, write 95 for his birth year in black. Clean up as needed with acetone. This should be easy because there's no polish underneath. To draw the mask on the thumb, start with a T as a guideline for the longest and widest parts of the mask. Connect the endpoints of the lines. Fill center with white. I drew more guidelines in white based on a reference image. Based on those, I shaded the face using pink on the right and blue on the left. Use light gray to roughly draw a mouth. Use black to draw the eye holes. On the inside, add a thin line of a flesh tone. Add brown irises to the eyes. Finish this off with a dripping black paint under the right eye. Gently add a generous layer of glossy top coat to seal the design and you're done. So happy birthday to V. I hope he has a wonderful rest of the day. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day, and I will see you all very soon. Bye everyone!